You were outwardly depressed about it. The barista called you hun and you started crying.
Hum?
Yes.
I forgot. This is one of my favorite bits.
Also, you'll notice we upgraded cameras. The background is blurry, which makes everything look cinematic and nice versus the last video where everything was sharp.
It's we also added that humming noise in your nose in post.
It's great.
Like my nose emits a humming noise? Excuse me, but I have a deviated septum about that kind of shit. Where does she get off calling me that queen, that diva, that roach?
Why do you think she said hum? By the way, you name call a lot for someone who doesn't like it.
I hate it when it's used on me. I like it when it's used on other people. Dillweed.
No, I know. I'm just pointing out how hypocritical you are. Close your mouth, okay? You're dumb and you're mean and your nose does emit a humming noise.
And time.
The hum gets me every time.
It's so well It's so well timed. This is an all-time great performance by you, really.
Somebody made a good
I'm rather
comment.
glad.
I'm rather glad. Somebody made a good comment in the YouTube video of this, which was like, it'd be funny if like the last 5 years of Jake and Amir videos, there was a humming noise that they like put in, but never addressed it until right now. We should have done that.
We should have. Just go back.
I have a deviated septum about that shit.
About